What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you guys are doing well. Today, as you can see, we're covering Beckett Simonon shoes, and I have 4 different styles here, and I'll show you guys this one here in a second. I'm actually gonna unbox this for you guys so you guys can see kind of like what you get. This will be a little bit of a review. And so before we dive in, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button if it's your first time here. We definitely talk about men's lifestyle and men's style on this channel. So if that's what you're into, definitely go ahead and hit that button down below. So what I have here is the Dowler cap-toe boot. We have the Durant Oxford shoes. We have the Hoyt double monks, and then lastly we have the Morgen calf leather and suede tennis shoes. Now, and again, I'll show you guys these here in a second, but let me just go ahead and kind of explain who Beckett Simonon is, kind of what they're about and everything. So if you don't know about Beckett Simonon is a company that makes shoes at small batches, which makes them a little bit more ethical, a little bit more eco-friendly, because they're not making shoes and they're not wasting shoes by making an excess of them. They basically, it's like a made-to-measure suit, it's a made-to-order shoe. So that being said, some of the things that we have to look out for basically with Beckett Simonon is the fact that it is going to take a little bit more time for you to get your boots or shoes or anyone what have you. However, it's worth the time that you're waiting, because these shoes here are handcrafted and they are made in ethical spaces as well. So it's just a win-win for everybody for this brand. So how I'm going to cover each individual shoe and boot is basically just going to talk about functionality, how to style them, and then we're just going to talk about details as well. So let's go ahead and dive in with the boot. Alright guys, so this Dowler boot has definitely made its way into my wardrobe ever since I got them. So I've been wearing these everywhere to work and what have you. I really don't have any complaints about this boot. It's a very simple boot. It's a very, has a cap toe on it, a little less formal than other boots, but it's just one of those boots because it's full leather and it just has that oomph to it that you can basically wear this boot with like jeans. Today I was wearing them with a pair of trousers and they looked just phenomenal. One of the things that we always look for in boots and just shoes in general is basically the stitching around the sole here. So this sole here is basically a blade construction, which means that when this goes out, I can definitely go ahead and just put another nice sole on there, and these will last me a really long time. And that's one of the things I like about Beckett Simonon is the fact that they definitely invest a lot into how long these things will last you, and definitely it's a big bang for your buck, guys. I mean, the fact that these will last you more than you're gonna pay for them is just phenomenal. I like these Dowlers and I like this heel. However, I don't like that they still don't have the full rubber grip on these, and this is just gonna make it tough for me, especially since I'm from the Midwest and it snows a lot, that I'm not gonna be able to wear these year round without just slipping. It just sucks out here. So these are just something that I wouldn't be able to get through the snow with. So these are basically boots that I'm just going to be wearing during the fall, spring, and summer season. So that's the only knock that I'm gonna have on these boots here. Other than that, these boots basically serve for all purposes that are more casual. You could wear these with a suit. I have seen other guys wear these with suits, so it would be a really good boot to wear them with. I probably wouldn't wear this with anything else that's a little bit more formal. I definitely rock these with more of something that's a little bit more of an informal thing. Next up we have the Durant. This is the Brogue, and this shoe is just awesome, guys. I mean, I wear these all the time with my suits, even just jeans. I wear this with like anything, and that's the purpose of the shoe. I mean, you could wear it up, wear it down. It's just gonna do the job for any kind of occasion, and people are always gonna look and ask you where these are from, because that's exactly what they do with me. People always ask me where these shoes are from because they're so nice and detailed, and the broguing just looks so amazing. The construction of this shoe is just really good. Again, it does have that Blake stitch around deconstruction as well. It's kind of one of those things that Beckett Simonon offers on all their shoes. So I definitely recommend this for kind of any function. And I do recommend these a lot for guys that are basically needing a nice cool shoe for the office. Next up we have the Hoyt Double Monk. The Double Monk shoe is definitely one of those shoes, just like the Cap-Toe Brogue here, that all guys need to have in their wardrobe, and you basically can style these up or style them down. Again, just like this pair here, it just does the job for like anything, work, going to the bar, anything like that. I get a lot of compliments on these as well, especially for the color. The color gives way to a lot of different colors for suits and stuff like that, where these were charcoal, navy suits, stuff like that. So I definitely recommend picking up these shoes here. I always like to kind of leave the top buckle here unfastened, so just kind of give it a different aesthetic to Double Monks. If you follow me on Instagram, I do this a lot with my Double Monks. If you don't follow me on there yet, definitely go ahead and do so. I'll have the thing right here, and you guys can go ahead and follow me. I post pictures every day, basically on men's lifestyle and all that. Follow my stories. And yeah, just go ahead and support me on IG and all of my other social media. Alright guys, and last but not least, we're going to go ahead and talk about the Morgen. Now this shoe here, and the reason why I have it in a box is just because I want to kind of give you guys a little bit of an experience of an unboxing for Beckett Simonon if you don't know what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and check it out real quick. So basically it'll come with this little booklet here, and it basically just gives a lot of information as far as like the shoe, the make, how they're made, all of the 411 that you'd want to know about how the shoe is made and why it's made in that certain way. Another thing in here is that you'll have these little soles here, and this is just phenomenal, guys. I sometimes even put these in other shoes, and I walk a lot, so these are perfect, and that's why I'm glad that they actually include these in all of their pairs of shoes. So this is one thing that I always look forward to getting. Also, just like you see here, I have these bags here, which comes with it. You have shoe bags for each individual shoe, and so as you can see here, each shoe will also come with their extra pair of laces, which I think is actually pretty cool because you don't see a lot of places that'll send you an extra pair of laces with your actual shoes. So I got some with these and the Cap-Toe Brogues there. So now looking at the shoe, it's phenomenal. It's leather and it's also suede leather, which I think is just a pretty nice design for a tennis shoe. These sneakers here also have the gum sole here, which I've never actually owned a gum sole shoe, so this is the first time I actually get to experience this, and I think it's actually pretty fun because I like kind of getting something that I have to kind of challenge myself to actually fit in my style and stuff like that. Not that it'll take effort to actually style these because it's a very basic shoe, but because it is suede and leather, I definitely just probably keep these wearing it with like jeans. I wouldn't do so much with the suit though, and the reason why I wouldn't do it with the suit is because they have that suede on them here and it's gray, so it kind of gives it a different aesthetic. And as well as the gum sole, if you're going to wear any tennis shoe with your suit, make it just a nice basic all white shoe or all black or navy, whatever you may have you, but just don't give it another color on the bottom just because it takes away from the look in general. You want a nice clean look. So this is definitely more on the casual side, which is perfect either way because I mean, just looking at all these, they actually fit all the other formalities, but these are definitely staying in my casual end. One thing that I like about the Morgen is the fact that their suede is water repellent. So basically in the spring, I know that it rains a lot, so definitely want to go ahead and have something that's water repellent, especially with suede because it's just going to get ruined right away. So that was a really nice detail from Beckett Simonon to actually add on to these, basically just make this an all-weather shoe. So the Morgen's actually a perfect shoe for you guys that want to definitely have a sneaker that's going to be versatile with all your casual looks. This is exactly what you're looking for. Jeans and chinos are definitely going on this end of the spectrum here. Alright guys, so lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and talk about my experience with Beckett Simonon. They definitely partnered up with me and they sent me these amazing shoes throughout the course of these last few months. So I got to go ahead and try them out and give you guys a nice clean cut review, and I mean, these have definitely met all my expectations as far as the quality of the leather, which is just amazing. You're not gonna find a grain like this, a grain leather like these at this price. You're also not going to get a handmade shoe at this price either. So definitely go ahead and check them out. They have a wide array of colors for these as well. So these you can get in brown or any other color. Same thing with all these. You can get them in different colors, and you can also go ahead and check out their website down below. So please go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and thank Beckett Simonon for sending me these amazing shoes. My experience with these shoes has been phenomenal. I've been wearing these things everywhere. I get compliments all the time. Again, if you guys go ahead and check in the description below, you will have another 20% off of these shoes besides whatever the sale is. So definitely go ahead and check my description down below. I would definitely recommend these shoes to anybody that just wants to step up their shoe game just a little bit, as far as more dapper shoes, or even just like some really nice sneakers that are going to last you a little bit longer than just your normal sneakers. Again, check out the different selection that they have. All these come in different colors, and I think that this is definitely a great option for you guys. It would be an even better option if you guys use my code that's going to be right here. So definitely go ahead and check that out. So as always guys, thank you so much for your time. Definitely go ahead and check me out on my social media. Go ahead and check out Beckett Simonon. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment and share. And as always, style up.